I know they watermelon smells so amazing. I mean, you can smell the spiciness. You get what I'm saying? But I think a watermelon like this, the watermelon and basil is pink. So good. This one, you can smell it a little. You know, this is really giving me fancy vibes for $1.25. So I had heard through the grapevine you was looking for some amazing new items, right? So Dollar Tree has this organic chai latte. Check this out. All right, so they have two different kinds. The caffeine-free organic chai latte, 90 calories. Enjoy hot or chilled over ice. Then they also have the light organic chai latte. This one has 50 calories by Yogi Honey. This is giving name brand. This is giving fancy. This is giving bougie on the budget. $1.25. Absolutely love this. All right, another item that, honey, I just seen, these Mayo. These are the berry grape, and then they also have the strawberry kiwi. These are $1.25. I guess you just add this to your water, makes 8 fluid ounces. This is giving definitely Gatorade. Remember last week I had showed you guys this. I said I don't even know how to really pronounce this. The Pico Dillio. I think that's how you pronounce it. Flavor duo. And these are spices. It has the sauce in here and the spice and herb blend. $1.25. Fire roasted tomatoes. Then they have the bay leaf, the green onion, oregano. This is, it sounds like it's good. Okay. Stoenov. Is that how you pronounce this? All right, $1.20. Well, wait, hold on, chill. This is $1. Have you guys ever tried this? Never a day in my born life. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Idol. Is this supposed to be Idol? Now, seasoned potato stretch, gluten-free, triple cheese potato stretch. You get 2 cups for $1.25. They also have these mashed potatoes, triple cheese mashed potatoes, $1.25. And you get 4 cups of these. So, a few days ago, I had tried this out. This, I really like it. It has the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, the glycolic acid, tea tree oil, 2 different ones. One has a berry scent, one has a watermelon scent, and one is a detoxifier. I believe the berry one is a detoxifier, and a watermelon is pretty much you just put it on your face and plumps it, okay? These were really good for $1.25. I was really impressed with these. But, honey, don't use a whole lot. A little goes a long way. All right, so another find at Dollar Tree is these amazing wipes. So they have the cleansing cotton candy facial cleansing wipes. It says cotton candy, but it don't smell like, like that scent that's gonna knock your socks off. You get what I'm saying? All right, so you get 25 of these for $1.25. They also have these aloe makeup cleansing wipes, same as their concept. With this one has vitamin A, C, and E. 25 wipes for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for freedom items, honey, I said this month will be the Freeman and Onyx show, okay? Because, honey, Dollar Tree got so many freedom items, like this one, the Rich Cream Overnight Leave On, and I do have this at home. This is really good. It's not thick. It's really light. It doesn't have, like, a strong fragrance to it. Really good hyaluronic acid and magnesium renewing overnight cream. Then they also have the makeup remover cleansing balm, coconut oil, vitamin E, and conditioning, $1.25. They also have the Indonesian coconut face mask and scrub, exfoliate, and gently polish your skin for smooth complexion, $1.25. All right, so when it comes to the LED semi-curl gel nail strips, this one, honey, out of all the ones I've seen, this is by far the best looking one. And if you have not seen that video that I did on these, make sure you guys are checking it out. You get 12 pieces. I think this is better than nail polish. This is really good. But word to the wise, honey, don't wet your hands right after you cure the gel strips, okay? More onyx fines. Dollar Tree has the 100% acetone nail polish remover, artificial nails and glitter polish. This is $1.25. Now, they also have the Island Coconut Scent Fast Drying. No more smears. This is a nail dryer. Are looking for more name brands. Dollar Tree has the Eco Tools made with real stones, bamboo, $1.25. Another amazing find is the Onyx Cuticle Oil, also with the applicator to help shape your cuticles, $1.25. Now this is really, really good. Dollar Tree has the outlet plug safety for the little toddlers, 15 pieces for $1.25. This is an amazing deal. Alright, so I was here about 2 or 3 days ago, and I had showed you these amazing scented potpourri. Now, honey, first of all, they had the apple cinnamon. The people they just took all of them. But these are so fancy. I absolutely love these. Now, you smell the sweet pea jasmine a little. I did not smell the rose petals. And then they also have the eucalyptus and mint. The best one was the apple cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Even the customers, I guess they agreed. Because, honey, as you see, there's no more. Another smell good is the Bourbon Barrel Pumpkin Scented Candle. These are $1.25. I love the way they have the 3 different colors over here. This smells good. They also have the candle holders over here. This was cute to me as well. This one is the leaf one, and this one is the pumpkin. At first I was like, what in the world? But these are $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for Dollar Tree new fall collection when it comes to the candles, now, one of the things I am going to say, in my opinion, you see they have 3 different kinds, right? All of these pretty much smell the same to me. And these are $5. And it's really the packaging, you know, like the pumpkins, they look so good. But they do, in my opinion, smell all the same. So another amazing find. So I told you guys about this Windex, right? The Windex Fast Shine Foam. Honey, I was thinking this was $5 all along. Honey, this is $3.50. This is a great deal still. Absolutely love this for $3.50. Hair and lint removal brush. Okay, self-cleaning case removes hair and debris from brush after each use. This is $1.50. Now, when it comes to the light decor, these are so cute. These are $7 though. Look at the goals. This is nice. If you are looking for something to protect your pots and pans, Dollar Tree definitely has this. Now, in my opinion, this feels like a little woozy. You know, like a little rubbery thin kinda. But this is a 3-pack for $1.25. Alright, family, keep rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep on going and growing. Let us know in the comment section what was your favorite items. Honey, it is definitely those potpourri, you know, like in that little glass bottle. Here about 2 days ago, I absolutely fell in love with, and I had showed you these amazing, although I wasn't even wearing no socks, honey. That's how strong it was, okay? Now, the apple cinnamon spice, oh my goodness, it smells so good. But as you can see, they don't have any more there. So if you happen to go to a Dollar Tree near you, see if they have the potpourri in a glass bottle, specifically the apple spice one. It smells so amazing.